Are you in the market for a ceiling fan? Well, this one is a massive 84-inch 8-blade ceiling fan. The seller sent this to me to test out and install in my fireplace room, and I'm glad they did. I'm gonna unbox it, assemble it, and get it installed and show you what it's about. So let's begin. And there you have it. This 84-inch massive 8-blade ceiling fan is installed. It was a breeze to do. It took a little bit of time, but it was very simple. Any DIYer can do it. Now, it was packaged very well. Nothing was damaged. The blades are made out of a composite material, so it's gonna last on the inside, or even if you did wanna put it on the exterior of your home. Now, the room I installed it in has 14-foot ceilings, so it could justify the wider fan blade. Now, you might not need 84 inches, but it's a nice feature to have because the wider the blade, the slower it needs to be pushing the same amount of air as a smaller fan. Now, on the remote, there is 6 different fan speeds, and I'll just put it on level 1 so you could kind of see it in motion. There is also 3 different types of lighting options to have to match whatever tone that you have in the room. You could also turn the light on and off and just have the fan on. And then there's also a dimming option on it as well. Now, if you wanted to put it on for a timer, you could have a 1 hour, 4 hour, or even 8-hour timer. It'll shut off after that. The last thing about this is that if you wanted to reverse the fan blades in the wintertime to push that warm air down, it also offers that feature. Now, inside the kit, there was 3 separate sizes for the rods. The one you're seeing right here is the middle one. It's about 12 inches. They do offer one that's about 24 inches and then a short stub one, which is about 6 inches. Overall, definitely recommend this for anybody that is looking for a massive fan for their house, their lanai, or maybe even their garage. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Go out, grab this massive 84-inch ceiling fan today. You're not gonna be disappointed. I know I'm not. Thanks again for watching and good luck for your purchase.